we're waiting to have our picnic. I'm in the middle of a small river and it's so beautiful. So the cost for entrance is $2 if you're a citizen, $20 if you're non-citizen. Then you get to spend the whole day here. You can have a picnic. There's a waterfall to see, and there's also a cave that we're going to show you. But first, the picnic. Michael, which sandwich are you having?
Oh my goodness. Like the lady, what the lady said, I wasn't even listening. But it looks like this. Let me show you guys.
It doesn't have the name on it?
No, even in the receipt. I think the receipt fell. It looks like this, but it has a fancy name.
And I'm having oh man, my Coca-Cola. Always Coca-Cola. I'm having a ham sandwich with, oh please get my coconut water, they see. The best drink ever in the world, pure coconut water. Good for your body, good for your soul. Coconut water.
We've reached the secret cave, which I'm gonna now enter. Wish me luck.
You're so tall. You know me, I can just walk straight in.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you can stand.
Let's enter the cave. I don't know why people make a big fuss of caves. It's just a hole. You're so silly.
I'm the cave people. Welcome to my house.
So guys, we've come to the end of the vlog. How did you like the day?
I really enjoyed the whole nature trail, especially the cave, which I enjoyed more than the waterfall because it was so mysterious, fun and scary.
The cave was like this big, so there's nothing scary about the cave. Yeah, but it's a beautiful place. You can come chill, read a book or come with someone and just talk the whole day.
Yeah. So you can tell them maybe what it's called again?
It's Oloolua
Nature Trail.
Nature Trail.
Yeah.
Yes. It's in Karen. Entrance fee is $2.
Yeah, $2 for locals and $20 for like tourists.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's open Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys for watching the vlog. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button and the notification bell to get more alerts of our videos, and tell a friend about this channel. See you.
Bye bye.